If you have been watching my channel, guys, you already know two things. For one, Dr.Althea cream, 345 Althea cream has gone viral everywhere. And two, I have been loyal to this Illiyoon A2 Ceramide soothing gel cream for a very long time. So today's video is not a product review. This is the video you watch when you're standing on a shopping page thinking, okay, I only need one soothing barrier repair product. Which one actually makes sense for my skin? Because on paper, these two products sit in the same category: barrier support, sensitive skin, treatment for acne prone skin, or something you can use post-treatment to soothe your skin. But in real life, they behave very differently on skin, and let's break that down. Welcome back to my channel. This is Neha here. Dr.Althea 345 and Illiyoon A2 Soothing Gel sit in the same category. Both of these are meant to support skin barrier, comfort sensitive or compromised skin, help the skin recover after irritation, treatments or breakouts. So this comparison isn't about, what these products are meant to do. It's about how they feel on the skin once you start using them regularly. On my skin, Dr.Althea feels more cushioning and more coating-like. It creates a noticeable layer, something that feels very heavy, that stays present even as the day or night goes on. Illiyoon, on the other hand, feels a bit less heavy, and it feels like it's settling in as you apply. My skin absorbs this one faster, and after a few minutes, it feels like there is less sitting on the surface. Both of these are hydrating, both of these, they support barrier, but one of these feels heavy on the skin and the other one feels more soothing on the skin. And that difference may sound small, but it completely changes how often you reach for a product, especially if you have sensitive skin or live in a humid climate. Let's talk about the texture of these two products, because it is one thing that actually helps you decide within seconds if you want to buy this product or no. Both are gel cream textures. Both spread easily. Both feel hydrating at first touch. But after application, Dr.Althea 345 feels richer, slightly on a heavier side, more cushiony on the skin, and in humidity, it is noticeably sticky over time. On the other hand, Illiyoon A2 Soothing Gel, it is lighter, it absorbs faster, I feel, though it does leave a faint tackiness, but it does settle down a bit faster and bit more noticeable than Dr.Althea. On my skin, in a hot and humid climate like Panama, Dr.Althea feels like it sits. However, Illiyoon feels like it has absorbed a bit into the skin, and that difference alone changes how often I reach for it. If you see here how much I have used Dr.Althea as compared to how much I have used Illiyoon, this alone tells you which one I have used more. And also, this is where I feel a lot of reviews, they miss this important factor: climate. In the hot and humid, daytime environment where I live, both these products, they feel heavy on the skin. I don't enjoy using either of them, in the daytime under sunscreen. They just feel too heavy. So this isn't the case, one of them working perfectly and the other not. The real difference, however, shows up at night. When my skin needs recovery, I reach for Illiyoon more often. It still feels hydrating and comforting, but it settles a bit faster and feels less sticky over time. Dr.Althea, on the other hand, feels heavier and noticeably stickier on my skin. And when my skin is already irritated or sensitized, that heavier feel makes me more cautious about using it repeatedly. If I have two of these, both of these creams feel rich in humidity, I'm going to choose one that, calms my skin more reliably. And for me, that has consistently been Illiyoon, hands down. And I'm not saying Althea 345 is bad or something. It's just, I think it's very much dependent on your weather, on your climate that you're in. In my climate, this one totally has been a miss. And this brings me down to who should choose what. Consider Dr.Althea 345 if your skin is dry or dehydrated, you live in a low humidity or a cooler climate, you enjoy rich, cushioning creams, and you're mainly looking for comfort and hydration. Choose Illiyoon Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel if your skin is sensitive or reactive. You deal with redness or post-acne sensitivity. You want faster, more reliable calming. And you prefer something that feels lighter and more predictable. So I have used Illiyoon in my hot and humid weather here in Panama, And in the daytime, I don't reach out for it as much, but nighttime, if ever I have a scenario where my skin is sensitized or irritated, between these two, I reach out for this one. Now, changes on weather. I recently went on India trip where it was really cold and dry, and this moisturizer actually saved my skin. It worked beautifully during the daytime and nighttime. So if you're choosing just one, for sensitive skin, I personally believe Illiyoon is a safer bet. And if I had to remove one from my routine tomorrow, Dr.Althea 345 cream would definitely go. Not because it's bad or something, as I said earlier, it's just what my skin needs. Illiyoon delivers that in a much better way, with less effort and less compromise. Dr.Althea is a nice product. Illiyoon is a reliable product. And when your skin is sensitive, I believe, reliable product always beat the viral products. If you have tried either of these, let me know in the comments. How did you feel? What was your experience? How did it feel on your skin? Do share your experience. I would love to know, especially if your experience matched mine or was it completely different. I hope this differentiation has helped you to decide in case you are trying to buy a barrier repair cream. And that's all for today's video. I'll see you all in my next one. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.